You guys asked for it and we built it. The 655 center console is here, and this is your first look at what it can really do. We've spent years developing the concept for this boat. We used our in-house design team and we've completely designed this boat and built every part of it from the ground up. We started with our 6 meter offshore, which is a time-proven offshore hull, and we've beefed it up in every way. It's longer, wider, we've got more freeboard, and it's just a perfect platform to build a center console off. Below the waterline, this hull is the same as our 6 meter, but just bigger in every way. The strakes and chines do such an incredible job of shearing the water off at speed, and the 22-degree dead rise is just such a soft riding boat. You'll notice some similarities with the transom. We follow its design style from our 255 model, and we've incorporated this shape in the transom. It gives us the ability to have these nice swim platforms on either side, which are great for having a swim or spear fishermen, that type of thing. And we've got a nice flat transom, which gives us the ability to run a set of zip wakes or sea keepers. Really simply just bolt on the back here. You might think this black strip is for style, but it's actually got a really functional reason for being in part of the design. We've got a 20mm lip under here that just stops any water rushing up the hull here, and it shears it up before it gets to the gunnel cap. The further up the bow we get, the more aggressive it gets, which just keeps that deck super dry. The standard inclusions of the 655 are our console, the hull, and our helm chair. We decided on our demo boat to put a 50mm stainless steel frame and a resin-infused hardtop on it. Some of the other configurations we have in production at the moment for customers is a canvas top. We've got some with side clears coming off, and we've got a full glass windscreen here from the top of the console. If you're looking for a bit of a family-friendly package, we've got a great setup in the bow configuration with 2 big side lounges either side. Gives you a really nice seating configuration. If you need to get the wife's approval, but you don't want to give up fishing space, we've got a fantastic option that is an additional seat in front of the console. That way you've got a nice extra seat, but you don't lose any of the fishing space up in the bow. We spent months getting the design right of the 655. We highlighted the need to maximize our storage space in the boat, have a really usable dash and console, and keep as much fishing room as we could. We took on heaps of feedback from current center console owners, and they told us their main frustrations with their current boats and other offers on the market were lack of internal freeboard, not enough dry storage, and poor ergonomics. We've got heaps of underfloor lockers and hatches, and we've got fantastic drains on all of them, so the water just runs straight down to the bilge, keeps it nice and dry. They're fully foam filled and insulated, so you can keep a Spanish mackerel in there, or you can put your spear gun and fishing rods. These ones either side of the deck here are 2 meters long. A lot of thought and design went into this console. The ergonomics of every angle has been well thought out so that everything's at your fingertips when you're driving, and it's a perfect blank canvas for you to put the ultimate electronic package into. The bow of this boat is unbelievable. We had a lot of customers telling us they wanted more width in the gunnel and a nice straight internal gunnel so you can get right to the corner when you're fishing. This is just so nice and safe when you're offshore, and it's a great spot to even stand on, fish off, and we also can run the electric motor straight off this side. We've incorporated a lot of new production methods and materials in this boat. The hull is completely timber free. We use a composite material in the transom in place of any other timber, just like we do on all our Edencrafts. We use a foam core in the hull sides, which really is an incredible material. It keeps the hull super quiet in the water and stiffens up the hull sides. And we've resin infused the deck, the floor, the stringers, and our hardtop, which gives us a super light finish and a really strong bond. We do a traditional layup on the keel and the hull to keep all that weight down low where you want it. With a huge 400 litre fuel tank and a 300 horsepower outboard on the back, this hull is ready to take it anywhere you want and take on the toughest conditions you can dish up for it. We can't wait to see where you take this one.